Hello, and welcome back to the DOTween tutorial series. This is part 4. And today, we're going to talk about one of the most visual and fun types of animation scaling objects using DOScale. Let's try a basic example. Whether you're making UI pop effects, pickups grow and shrink, or just adding extra life to your game, DOScale is an easy and powerful tool. Now let's combine everything we've learned. We'll make our object grow in size using DOScale. But this time, we'll delay the start and add a smooth ease effect. This line of code will wait for 1 second before starting the animation, and then it will scale the object up with a nice bounce-out feel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 5, where we'll take it even further with more advanced tween combinations. By the way, if you're looking for free game assets and want access to multiple Unity mini projects, you can check out my Patreon page. There, I share extra content, tools, and full Unity files to help you level up your game development.